guys, it's another unboxing video for me, and today I'm going to be opening these purchases from H&M, Zara, and TK Maxx for my summer holiday in the Philippines and Japan. Let's start opening these packages. These are all for summer. The first package is mainly for exercise that I need to be bringing to the Philippines because it's really hot there, so I need to wear shorts. First one is a double layered sports short. So it's this one. This is medium size, and yeah, it's double layered. Currently, it's only 11 pounds, but this was 17.99. Next is a seamless cropped sports top. This is only 2 pounds, but the original price is 8.99. Again, for exercise. Another one, same style. Next one is a thong body. This is actually 6.99. Another thong body here, and this is light blue in color, like so. This is also on sale, only $3.99 from $9.99. This one is a blazer. To continue with my unboxing, I have more purchases here from H&M. So let's open this. Next one is a linen shirts, and this is also on sale. From 18.99 it becomes 9 pounds. It's mustard in color. So that's the shorts. I have 3 of this already and I really like it. I have pink, yellow, and I think blue, and this one. So yep, I have almost all the colors that's available. Next one is another thong body, and it's this one. And basically, it's the same as this one. And next one is this 5-pack of strappy tops, and this is only 10 pounds. The original price, however, is 21.99. So yeah, it's very affordable. It's all on sale. These are small sizes, and it has all the colors that I need. Next one, short sleeve thong body, and I have 2. I mistakenly ordered 2, and this was also on sale. This is only 7 pounds, and the original price is 14 pounds. So yeah, I ended up having 2 by mistake. I actually have a blazer with this color, but before this wasn't on sale. But now it's only 10 pounds, so I decided to buy it to pair with the blazer. Next one is a summer dress, but this is not on sale, and it looks like this. It's lemon prints. More from H&M. Another thong body, and this is not on sale. This is in a size small, and it looks really tiny. So this is the napkins. Looks like that, and this is blue in color, just because I have the blue Italian collection and it will match my blue set. This one is a tablecloth, and this is 12.99 for the table in the conservatory. Another one is a cushion cover, and this is 3.99, not on sale. Basically, I'm buying anything that will match my blue Italian set. Another one here is a frill trimmed cotton tablecloth. This is $29.99, not on sale. For the conservatory. This is my first tablecloth with frill edges. I just buy things that I like, even if there is no occasion. Okay, next one is this box from Zara. Zara is currently on sale, so I decided to buy this platform sandal, and it's black in color with buckled straps. So it looks like that. It's only $39.99, however, the original price is $59.99. It comes with a dust bag, so love it. Next one is this jeans, again on sale as well. I like it because of the length. This is for my height, that's why I bought this. Also on sale. Yeah, I like this so much. Honestly, I like it. Another bag here from TK Maxx, and I have loads inside. As I've said, I'm going to the Philippines for holidays, so I had to buy some stuff for travel and then for gifts. So this is for myself. This is very light and it's Skechers. It's like that. On sale, it's only $39.99. And definitely I'll be wearing this on my way to the Philippines. Next one is a bag. And you won't believe this, it's only $3.99. I love it because it's pink and there's a strap. But yeah, I like this one. Only $3.99. Next one are similar bags that I'm going to give to my nephews. I have 4 nephews in the Philippines. So yeah, it's all the same. So it's this one. Now, how much? This is £29.99. So that's one. Another one here. It's all DKNY, so that's 2. Another DKNY, but it's blue. Another DKNY, but this is green. So that's 4. Last one from Tekimax is the sandals, which is only 14 pounds. Don't you think it's pretty? Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye!